2025 Suzuki RM-Z250, the big comeback. The motocross world is buzzing once again, and this time, it's all about Suzuki's long-awaited return to the spotlight with the 2025 RM-Z250. This is not just an update, it's a statement. A bold, stylish, and powerful machine that proves Suzuki is still a true master of the dirt. A fresh and stylish design from the very first glance, the 2025 RM-Z250 stands out with a completely refined and aggressive bodywork. The sharp lines, new shrouds, and modern graphics make it look fast even when it's standing still. Suzuki has clearly aimed for a perfect balance of style and functionality, with every panel designed to improve rider ergonomics and airflow, while turning heads on and off the track. Big, powerful engine performance. Beneath the stylish body, the RM-Z250 hides a heart that's built for competition. A rev-hungry, high-torque four-stroke engine tuned to deliver explosive power across the rev range. Engineers have worked hard on improving throttle response, fuel mapping, and overall durability. The result is a motocross bike that doesn't just keep up with the competition, it challenges it head-on. Handling like a true master bike. Suzuki has long been known for its championship-winning handling, and the 2025 RM-Z250 takes that heritage to the next level. The lightweight frame has been refined for sharper cornering, better stability, and reduced rider fatigue. Paired with an advanced suspension system, this bike glides over rough terrain and absorbs big jumps like a pro. It's confidence-inspiring for both seasoned racers and ambitious newcomers. Track-ready technology. This comeback machine isn't just about looks and raw power, it's also smarter. The 2025 RM-Z250 comes with advanced electronics such as Suzuki's whole-shot assist control and enhanced traction management. These features help riders launch harder, maintain grip, and control the bike in varying track conditions, giving them an edge in competitive racing. Why this comeback matters. For years, the RM-Z250 has been a respected name in motocross, but Suzuki has been quiet in pushing new innovation. The 2025 model changes that narrative completely. It shows that Suzuki is committed to staying in the game, bringing fans a dirt bike that's competitive, stylish, and thrilling to ride. Final thoughts. A new era for the RM-Z250. The 2025 Suzuki RM-Z250 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a declaration. With a striking new design, a powerful and reliable engine, and race-ready handling, it's clear that Suzuki is back to reclaim its place in the motocross world. Whether you're chasing championships or weekend adventures, this bike delivers excitement in every get. This has been a presentation from Wheel World, your go-to channel for everything on two wheels and beyond. Stay tuned for more in-depth looks at the latest machines shaping the future of riding.